art, we are going to make rain windows. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So first thing you're going to need is some blue watercolor paint. And if you don't have watercolor paint, that's totally fine. This is actually just food coloring in water. And you're going to need a paintbrush, and you're going to need a cookie sheet pan and a piece of paper. And then you'll need one more thing that we'll get to in a little bit. So the very first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your water and you're going to spread it out all over the pan and do it however you want. You can have as much or as little. And it would be helpful to have a bigger paintbrush to do this. I do not have a bigger paintbrush to do this, so this is what I'm using. And if you think it's taking a little bit too long, you can always just pour some on there and then spread it around. Make sure that it's not all in one little, one big pile, because that would not look realistic. You want it to be in kind of little drops everywhere. So I'm just kind of spreading it all around. And once it's kind of mostly covering at least the area of where your paper would be. There, I think that's good enough. Once it's covering, like I said, the area of where your paper would be, you're going to take your paper and place it down on top of the water. And then you're going to lift it up. And it looks like rain is splattering up against the window. Then you're going to let this dry. Once your paper is all dry, you're going to need one more thing for the project. You're going to need some tape. Now, the tape I have at home is really thick, so what I ended up doing is cutting it in half. And you're going to need 3 pieces for 3 long pieces, 3 pieces that go this way, and 3 pieces that go this way, because we are going to make a window. So I'm going to take my tape and put it around the edges. Whoops. Sometimes tape is a little difficult to work with, and that's okay. So we put it around like this. So 1 on each edge and 1 in the middle. And I kind of made sure while I was cutting my tape to make it long enough so that it kind of went off the edge there so I could fold it over. I didn't do that on the top one, but it's just easier to work with that way. And then I have 3 pieces that go along, go this way. So 1 on top. 1 in the middle, and 1, oops, I'm doing it on the wrong side. On the end, and when you're all done, it looks like a window on a rainy day. I hope you guys have fun with this project. I can't wait to see yours.